In this chapter, we will be learning to deploy metadata from scratch or to the production or sandbox environment using sfdx. So the agenda would be that we will be learning to deploy metadata to Salesforce instance. So to understand better, basically the scratch all does not have the package.xml. We don't need that. But once we are installing from the scratch org to the non-scratch org, then that time we need to have the package.xml to convert the metadata format. So for that, let's see what we will do. So first step is to convert the source format to the metadata format so that we can deploy. So for this, we'll simply go here and we will say that okay, I want to convert. So I'll say sfdx4 source convert and then the directory and then metadata deploy. So you see metadata deploy has been created and metadata deploy is there with classes, LWC profiles, packages. So if you see here, all of them are there. And then the package, if you see, you will be seeing the whole package with the types. So that is being created. Now once that is being created, what I want is we want to deploy it. So we'll simply copy this and sfdx force deploy and then the metadata. So see the name, it's metadata deploy. So I'll just simply change the name and then to which we want to deploy. So basically we want to deploy it to another environment, so we will just click enter. So here it says no or configuration found of name sandbox. Now why it is saying that? Because once we go and see the list, force org open list, force list, so it's force org list. So when we are putting this and click on enter, so right now see the name is sfdx amplified non-scratch. There's no name of sfd sandbox to deploy, so we have to write the right name. So what we will do is we just change it and we say that okay, we want to deploy it to here. So here we will be changing the name and click on enter. So now it says that this is not existing because the name is not correct. So the name is metadata deploy. So I'll just simply change the name and say metadata deploy and hit enter. So now it is started. Now it says the deployment request did not complete within the specified wait time. So we are just waiting for 0 minutes, so it was not able to create. So for that, what we need to do is we have to increase the wait time. So simply I have to go here and then I have to say wait, and for example I say for 5 minutes and hit enter. So now the MDI process has started. Now it will make us wait for 5 minutes and then do the process. And if it is done successful, then it will throw error. So see, whatever the errors or whatever the successes, it will be showing us here that okay, this is one failure error, one success error. Like this, we are able to see the message. But this is how we are able to deploy.